if you have the 16 kilobyte page size support issue on your Expo app, here's how you can fix it. Upgrade your Expo to at least SDK 53. That could be all you need if you haven't already done that. But if you still have the error, you need to check your libraries by using APK Analyzer or by uploading your AAB file to the store. Let's see how to use the APK Analyzer first. You need to have Android Studio. Then you need to build an APK either through EAS Cloud or locally. Then open Android Studio and go to Build, then APK Analyzer. Once you have APK Analyzer opened, just drop your APK file in there and check the alignment column. You should see which .so file is not aligned with the 16 kilobyte page size. But you have most likely already uploaded your AAB file to the store and got rejected. It's not like those unhelpful rejections, like you're not my type. No! It actually gives you something useful. When you look at the submitted app bundle, click on the right arrow, and in the details, you will see a row where it says memory page size. And inside the content, click on Show Details. And you can find the list of the libraries that do not support 16 kilobyte page size. Something to take note of is that it is possible that the SO file that isn't supported doesn't point you directly to which library you should look at. If that's the case, don't abandon yet. A single Google search should point you to the right direction. Or you can also look at the package.log file, where you can find which library exactly is that SO file linked to. Now that you have the list of the libraries that don't align, you either should update the libraries, or if they're not maintained, replace them. react-native-pitchy, which I used, for example, didn't support 16 kilobyte page size and isn't quite maintained anymore. But I found another library, React-Native Live Pitch Detection, and in one of their commits, they show that, hey, they've added this change to support the 16 kilobyte page size. If you've done this, you should be good. And if this video was useful for you, leave a like and subscribe.